This is the all-new 2020 Legacy, the safest, most reliable, most advanced, best Legacy ever. It features standard Subaru Symmetrical all-wheel drive and a new direct-injection Subaru Boxer engine for confidence and peace of mind. With auto start-stop technology and a smooth, efficient lineartronic continuously variable transmission, it gets up to 35 miles per gallon. The Legacy is built on the strength of the Subaru Global Platform, and it's designed to help protect you and your passengers. It includes standard EyeSight driver assist technology with advanced adaptive cruise control, which can automatically keep you centered in your lane, safely behind the car in front of you, even in traffic and around curves. Auto on-off LED headlights with high beam assist also come standard to help maximize visibility. Welcoming you and your passengers with generous space and a variety of conveniences, the Legacy features durable cloth upholstery, along with the customizable comfort of a 6-way adjustable driver's seat, a 4-way adjustable front passenger seat, and automatic climate control. Other standard amenities include dual front USB ports and a rear vision camera for those tight parking situations. And to keep you connected, Subaru Starlink Multimedia features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and dual 7-inch touchscreens.